Ha kasiba jong ka dorbar mangtingka kamat kabau sulong mil ukurwo katiak lobu jingkli ba manu panra ya kamat hakabai de bat kajing jong kinong khai masi kinong oddo bat kinong bam hakayeng dorbar thawan lala bani I bat sngo nakajingora jong mele ka umroi uba George bilingdo lingba ka short duration discussion lani ka jetai ka balangkot bat kibala ajing ksan halo ka di kamat kikenthop yuba Himalaya sangpliang u ameli ka mosram u ameli ka molai ba piti saukme Haka jingpin I yakinia bat kat kum ki ai ki bau layo lum ya ki jingtep ki patikna uba George ulakno ba kini baro ki dei ki buitpo chong kaseng BJP ka ba angnut ban khang bam do masi pai ba chong kani ka than chate lamingi bat khamtam yaki pai nong bam do masi chong jalla me klia.
In spite of all the alerts that we have raised, now the citizens' health is also being endangered, sir. In fact, sir, I'm tired of raising this issue. Even the people are also tired. The Butchers Association also tired because we are not expecting any more results. We are not expecting any more results from the department, sir, because now, after we have looked at the entire issue, sir, I feel that this crisis has been purposefully created, sir, perhaps to fulfill a political agenda of the central and the state government, sir.
The cows that are meant for Meghalaya are not stopped or not hindered with their process of transportation. But sir, till date, the same things to be happen. We have not heard, I do not know, Honorable Chief Minister has met the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam several times, perhaps on the issue of the border. But I would like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister whether he discussed this matter relating to the transportation of cattle from other states through Assam, sir.
So our concern here, we would like to urge the Honourable Minister, though that cow is still coming, but very scared. And we understand that why so much of cow have only been released have only been by those doing cattle there in Assam, why have not come to Shillong? We could understand that many of the cattle, they have only been from Assam itself. Those who are doing for this business, they're buying from Assam. After they have received, after they have buy, from there itself, cattle is not come to our state. Certainly it come, I don't know. Only those who are doing business, they knows better. If I said that going into international border, I may be wrong because I don't know, because it seems smuggler is there.
Haba jubah pat ya ka short duration discussion Menteri Badekmi ya katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ba sanbor sulai uloong ka sarkar jela kala penlong bun ki jelang bat ka sarkar Assam bat ki officer jong katanat veterinary bat kumjuru katanat pulit ban kren halor kumno ban penbe ki jinge ki bai kendu da ki nong khai masi jong ka jela me kalia.
Permits to legitimate bovine animal traders, agriculturists, dairy cooperative societies to produce bovine animals from other states, including Assam, and transport cattle through Assam to Meghalaya. Also, in the exercise of power vested under Section 1 of Section 3 of the Meghalaya State Agriculture, Produce and Livestock Marketing, Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020, the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department by notification dated 26 October 2021 started issued transit permits for transporting cattle from out state to state of Meghalaya. So far, the department had issued 280 transit permits to genuine local traders, dairy cooperative societies and others. A series of discussions with Shri Atul Bora, Honorable Minister, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Government of Assam, and officials of the department and police officers were held at various levels to sort out problems faced by the legitimate cattle traders of Meghalaya. At the department level, DO letter was written to Animal and Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Assam, with a request to extend necessary help to our cattle traders who are processing cattle transit permit issued by Meghalaya.
Hadian balawai ka dorbar ka kenhun sulong mil klayo bani keren bot ba George ubalapatai khamsai balai bulanra ya katai kamat apo yeng dorbar bat pensngo ya kejing bomhun ya kejubam ke boloyo priang nau menteri katai katanan
Nadu ba isna ban tip sipang jing jong nong di do masi at khamtam jing bom yo masi nilai keren apo ka asuli ha ka wei de jing jong nong tit masi Kawai kalau bakayo masih kepada kana para bas ketu. Ndala litit ke masih kini ki baju dei shisha ki nong dedo ki ba dei shisha hi kita ki nong dedo. Kini kimla bania clear door bat kita ki we ki brewi ki ba shutit ke masih na kamanta bande si Bangladesh man semua. Telada ki nong dedo ki jutit ka do si ko aja mentah update ka do aku sang ko aja. Ban ya fundor bat utai ubriu basuan tit tang bande si po Bangladesh. Tim menuba ailat ikini bandung huto po ayo. Nama mereka salan nadu popor hiba mencuba nadu bah wan gini ki ain di popor mereka salan la isu ke veterinary department. Tadi veterinary department ke ai salan dia gini beri tit masih. Bat nerayo itu salan kisalah ban kit ika mesin sinayo masih. Dehendrai dalam plan dia kata haru musim dong ni pen baik. Asyik ai lan baik unu buka tit masih tit baik nyatu nayo. Bat gini ki beli kinong didok ki bapaka sisa ki badi sisa hi kinong didok ki miyo masih. Dah kata kade kabanin kau kami ra kade. Nama beli nama miyo ka masih ka dor ka patap lahap tit ka dor ka badan lahap diru ka dor ka badan. Telah nyat di bawah. Di syabun wan gini ke anya po asam lu ka bayada benyada kade ke jing penihai ka masih syabar juga jela asam. Kei ke bangi ke lomba nilai era apa negeri Indo baru ban ong ni sarkar bagi pai ba jungi ken seduk do mesti kinong dia do mesti kinong yo mesti nama beliau ba ka asam kan sepentut akali kawan kinong ki te kani ka an kini tang kestir jung asam dan reke ai bai ko lomba mentapat ka asam ka lek don bor ba di ke kam jungi bai kestir ro nama ka kadi kestir lo mau ketika an ke bahaban pentri kam tang apo jangan jela asam te kata ka jing nek jingwan ni mesti jing ot jing mesti apo asam te to kata ka syong ka ndai bele pede ba ka bahang la jing ni bani thit ki mesti kata ka an kam syong kam dei na ka benta ka jungi te bele kestir ka man ka kamle te ya kata la kan lupa ndai ke ing bang syu asno gi long la syu tho si ti we a syu tho si ti atli a syu long meeting we ndai ke jing e jong gi nong di do hadu mata ka long kum jong ada mutak ka dor mesti ke tempat dia. Te ke ika bangi ika lompa. Na lor na kadau jong jing bom sim khia jong ka. Jong ka sarkar. Kawai ba pen khangla yang ni jing ditu dan jing salan tu jing mesti sebab jong jela. Ka ba ka jing bom ailan. Ba detang gitu ki badido ni ki ba de si syahi te ki dong dido ba ka. Ba ken thi de ka mesti. Asu ailan lan yang hadu mentah. Te kini kapelong ni gini nong salan tu menangi masih biar. Te ada muntah ke dor kadang masih kadang dangkiau. Te kawai ke jimam khanglat ya kini jing salan tu jing masih. Kabaan ke jimbam penbiang penbit na ke benta kini ki beri ki ni ki nong dido ki ba de sisa ki ba pakai ba penbit penbiang ya jela la jong. Te kini kapelong ya ke dor jong do masih ban ki. Tiga hari bukut nalai keren sih keren jadi dikasihin ke balai be keren. Tapi iba haji pe juga tu ipo isu sunum dan buku aban sengap dan buku aban lei jika ke bajian tak lomba ngatrai kedai ke sarkar BJP ke badan apa kejelang tapi kelelang ke kini kelek jatuh ke sarkar kelek jatuh tu mengiong kaba hab apa kesengeu ke jing peniak juga BJP gini mentai bakaman bam dong si gitu. Dah kaba wanra ini ki nong ki daw ba miyo masi ailat ba igini ken chalan tu pen ki ka dor hayo tu boduk miyo syu pen thit masi menta tengam ka dei ka tang kalenti ba sarkar menta wanra ban pentri kam ya ka jing tumbu ka BJP ba nom ailat bang dok masi syu ini pi ka kataliti ka ban saji awe la de PE kanum no ka ai ka wanra da ka sarkar kandon be kata ka black market ka bangiyo. Di hari ni kebetulan market kini naik masalah tu, nama pergidan gini kisalan sistem gini kita. Dalam miok dah lenti ke baik, baik mak umnya wat dah lenti ke bakodoh. Di mentah nama bagi masih ki berking nama lantu apa anyo asam kalau syai balad. Lap badang ji salan tu masih nama bahasa set deal, bahasa set potok kan sedon tu pat jing fine kepada ki polak tengkah. Tak bentuk. Tiga bar pada ban kini kita beri kinong dido kidan kam kado. Di usai barang tai pada unyilek ban supply pada kado pak.
Kadang kau bahu nampak ke bawah. Kau orang saya ki kubur pilai berpah betul pilai i betul. Buat kaya ke bangara kalau dia kaya ke ki kubur ke bangiyo ada kidung dia doi. Di mata kini kayo pada mana berbaik. Kesulkar kado mana pilai asnohi kesulkar kado mana kaya kau mengintip sipang tu ni. Kalau jubab kalau tu kerja orang jungi bakawan kedoim ke buat nambar kedoiu ke dipat ke bawah. Kau bahu lo ke kado. Kalau saya kata ya kau kia. Dengan ni kalau kau kelenti ban penting ipat bak numpang dong mesti show. Amdai dong tak. Oh, kedai kelenti ba ka agenda ban penting ba kawan kedok kau bakum nom tip show tip kedai ke babahan yang beli momen mentakin ni kinong didok ki beli kin pencai tang eno bahkan ni diga kedok babah. Dah kan ni jinjia kan sawan ba ki kani ka sarkar kan sajok bahani gajing tumu penduk bang dok mesti yang perok pada nak jelas.